Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an incredibly useful tip for anyone using Google Sheets, especially if you work with lots of web links or need to organize information efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create multiple hyperlinks within a single cell all in one go. It's a game changer for boosting productivity and making your sheets more interactive and readable. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to make sure you have all the website links you want to use ready to go. It sounds obvious, but trust me, having your links prepared in advance just makes the process a whole lot smoother. You can either have them open in another tab, copied to a notepad, or even listed somewhere in your sheet. This little bit of preparation prevents any unnecessary back and forth while you're working and helps you stay focused. Now let's look at the sentence where we'll embed our links. For example, you might have a phrase like, check out Google, YouTube, and Reddit. What we're going to do is link each of those site names to their respective websites, but all in a single cell instead of spreading them across separate cells. This is genuinely the easiest way to organize multiple related resources without cluttering your spreadsheet. Here how you do it. First, copy your first link, let's say it's google.com, and then head over to your sentence in the cell. Click right into the cell so you're actually editing the text. Then simply highlight the word you want to link like Google, just like you would in a word processor. At the top of Google Sheets, you'll notice a little chain link icon, that's the hyperlink button. Give it a click and paste your link into the pop-up box that appears, then hit apply, that's it. Now Google is a clickable hyperlink right inside your sentence. Let's repeat the process for the remaining websites. Head back and copy your second link. Let's use YouTube.com for this one. Go back to your sentence in the cell, select the word YouTube, click the hyperlink icon at the top, paste your link, and click apply. See the pattern here? We're just working our way through the sentence one site at a time. Finally, grab your third link, maybe Reddit.com. Again, select Reddit in the sentence, click the hyperlink button, paste your third link, and apply it. Don't worry if it feels a little repetitive. After doing this a couple of times, it becomes second nature. And if you accidentally miss a step or pick the wrong word, you can always undo or just remove a hyperlink and try again. No harm done. Once you've linked all the relevant words in your cell, try hovering your mouse over the sentence. You'll see that each word you hyperlinked is now blue and underlined, and when you hover, Google Sheets previews the website for each one. Pretty neat, right? This is super handy for project dashboards, resource lists, or anytime you want to keep related links together without cluttering up your spreadsheet. So there you have it, the quickest way to add multiple hyperlinks in a single cell in Google Sheets. This technique doesn't just look cleaner, it's also far more efficient for organizing information and sharing it with others. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I always check and love helping out. And of course, hit subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy linking.